Hello everyone, this is Dr. Rupali Rathod. I am hereby presenting correlations and regression video 4. In this particular video, I would like to discuss some of the problems which are based on correlation part. See, regarding the first example, the following is the sales and profit of a company limited over 10 years. Calculate the coefficient of correlation between sales and profit taking deviation from actual mean. See, regarding the solution. Calculations of coefficient of correlation taking deviation. Sales is nothing but represented as a X column. Profit is represented as a Y column. Now see, regarding the sales. In the question they have given 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. From this we are supposed to identify the deviation. Profit is nothing but 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 14, 19. Solutions, that is calculations of coefficient of correlation taking deviation from actual mean. Now, X column, that is sales column, is already given in the problem. Profit column is also already given in the problem. Now next column is nothing but dx column. How we can identify the dx column? Dx column is nothing but it is equivalent to x is equal to 55. That is how we have taken 55, that also we will discuss. D square sigma dx square. Dy column is nothing but is equal to y minus 9. Next, dy whole square, dx dy. Now see, let us how we got dA, that is 55. Now here is the arithmetic mean of x series and y series. X series is nothing but sigma x divided by n. Total number of x is 550 divided by 10 is 55. For all the values we are supposed to deduct minus 55. Next, y series we have to calculate the mean. So sigma y divided by n is nothing but 90 divided by 10 is 9. So this was the calculation part. Now see, regarding the things. X column is already given. Sigma d, that is dx is equal to x minus y. Your total of x column is 550. Total of y column is 90. Now dx is equal to x minus 55. First number is 10. Minus 55 is minus 45. Second 20 minus 35. Minus 25 minus 15 5 15 25 35 45. How we got this number? In the sense, first column is nothing but x column, that is 10 minus 55 minus 45, 20 minus 55 minus 35, 30 minus 55 minus 25, 40 minus 55 15 minus 15, 50 minus 55 minus 5, 60 minus 55 5, 70 minus 55 15, 80 minus 55 25, 90 minus 55 35, 100 minus 55 45. D square column, that is 45 square 2025, 35 square 1255 1225, 25 square 625, 15 square 225, 5 square 25, 5 square 25, 15 square 225, 25 square 625, 35 square 1225, 45 square is 2025. Total of sigma dx square is 8250. That is your fourth column. Now next step, what we do? Dy is equal to y minus 9. How we got this one? In the sense, y column minus 9. That is 2 minus 9 is 7. Minus 7. 3 minus 9 minus 6. 5 minus 9 minus 4. 7 minus 9 minus 2. 8 minus 9 minus 1. 9 minus 9 0. 11 minus 9 2. 12 minus 9 3. 14 minus 9 5. 19 minus 9 10. That is your y column. Based on y column, fifth column we have done. Square of that all is dy square. 7 square 49. 6 square 36. 4 square 16. 2 square 4. 1 square 1. 0 square 0. 2 square 4. 3 square 9. 5 square 25. 10 square 100. Total of dy square is 244. dx minus that is dx and dy is nothing but minus 45 into minus 7 is 312. minus 35 into 6, minus 6 is 210, minus 25 into minus 4 is 100, minus 15 into minus 2 is 30, minus 5 into minus 1 5, 5 into 0 0, 15 into 2 30, 25 into 3 75, 35 into 5 5 175, 45 into 10 that is 450, total 1390. Next is arithmetic mean we have already calculated. Okay, coefficient of correlations, sigma dx dy we got total last column, that is 1390 divided by sigma dx square, total was 8250, see into sigma dy square is 244. So as per the formula, coefficient of correlation is equal to 1390 divided by in root 8250 into 244. 8250 into 244 is nothing but again is equal to 1390 divided by 2 that is 20 lakhs 13,000. Next we find like root of that one we are supposed to identify, that is after getting a root we are getting a value of 1490. So it is equivalent to 1390 as it is root of 2013,000 is nothing but 1490. 1390 divided by 1490 is nothing but 0.98. Next, second example. The following is the table given a distribution of age in years of husband as well as wife. 100 couples are there. In that is as you see, age of wife column 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. See, regarding in this way also you are supposed to see the number, in this way also you are supposed to see column wise, row wise, column wise and row wise. Age of husband 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Now 10 to 20 column of husband, 10 to 20 column of wife. Here it is a 10 number. Same way 20 to 30, 10 to 20, 20 number. 30 to 40, 10 to 20, 2 number. 40 to 50, 10 to 20, 3 number. Same way next row. 20 to 30, 10 to 20, 12 number. 20 to 4, 2, 3, 11, 0, 0, 4. This is very important. Okay. Bivariate table based. Okay. Now see regarding the age of husband. First is class interval. What is the class interval of husband? 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Now next step what we have to do? Midpoint. 15. 10 to 20 in the sense 10 plus 20 divided by 2, 15. 20 plus 30, 50 divided by 2, 25. 30 plus 40, 70 divided by 2, 35. 40 plus 50, 90 divided by 2, 45. Based on this midpoint, we are supposed to identify the deviation. That is next row. Okay, next row. Dx is nothing but in 15 place, below 15, you are getting minus 1. Below 25, 0 columns. Up to last line, you are getting a 0 columns only. And 35 is nothing but represented as 1 deviation it is. Okay. And 40 is represented as a 2. Now, same way we have to do it for the row wise. Row wise in the sense for 10 to 20, 15. Row wise in the sense this one. Age of wife. 10 to 20, 15. Deviation we are getting minus 1. 20 to 30, 25. Deviation we are getting 0. Again see the row total, it is up to last column. It is 0. Last column 0. 30 to 40, 35. 1 deviation. 40 to 50, 45. Deviation is 2. Now already in example they have given the numbers in the sense 10, 20, 2, 3. Total will be 35. Frequency we are seeing frequency column 10 plus 20 plus 2 plus 3 is 35. In 0 column that is 12, 22, 4, 42. Only we want to see regarding the frequency. What is there in the box? 2 plus 3 plus 11 plus 0, 16. 0 plus 0 plus 4 plus 3, 7. Now total frequency is 100. Same way we have to do it for the age of husband. Age of husband in the sense total frequency, column wise in the sense out of the bracket, 10 plus 12 plus 2 plus 0, 24 down. See your frequency column, frequency row, not column, row. 24. Then 20 plus 22 plus 3, 45. Next we find 2 plus 4 plus 11 plus 4, 21. Next 10, that is 3 plus 4 plus 3 is 10. Total frequency again row wise also 100, column wise also 100. See the frequency column, frequency row. Okay. Next what we have to do in the sense FDY. dy is nothing but deviation. Minus 1 into frequency f into dy, that is minus 1 into 35 is minus 35, 0 into 42 is 0, 1 into 16 is 16, 2 into 7 is 14. Next fd square y, your deviation square, yani we are finding like 1 square 1 it will be, 0 square 0, 1 square 1, 2 square 4. Now into y column. Okay, frequency column. So minus 1 into minus 1, 1 into 35 frequency, it will be 35, 0 into 0, 0 into 42, 0, 1 into 1, 1 into 16, 16, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 7, 28. Now same way we have to do it for the column, age of husband's column. Okay, fd x, frequency into dx, minus 1 into 24, minus 24, 0 into 45, 0, 1 into 21, 21, 2 into 10, 20, total 17. Total sigma fdx is nothing but 17 minus, only 17. fd square x is nothing but minus 1 into minus 1, 1 into 24, frequency 24, 0 into 0, 0 into 45, 0, 1 into 1, 1 into 21, as it is 21, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 10, 40, total it is 85. Sigma fdx dy is nothing but column you are supposed to see, bracket. How come you got deviation of x, deviation of y, minus 1 into minus 1, 1 into 10, 10, 0 into, in the sense everything I have turned red mark, 0 only. Okay, column wise, row wise it is a 0. Okay, don't make any changes. Now next is third column in the sense 2 into minus 1, that is 1 into minus 1, 1 into 2 is minus 2, 2 into minus 1, minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Now 10 plus minus 8, 10 to 20 row, 10 to 20 row, 10 in bracket it is 10, 20 in bracket it is 0, 2 in bracket it is 2, minus 2, 3 in bracket it is minus 6. Now what we got? 2. So last column is 2, 0, 9, 20, total 31. Now as per this one, same last column wise we are supposed to see, last line 8, 0, 17, 6, total 31. See regarding the formula, sigma fdx dy is nothing but both the side 31, minus sigma dx is nothing but 17, 17 into minus 35 will be that is divided by 100 is minus 5.95, divided by sigma fdx whole square is nothing but 85 minus 17 divided by 100 whole square, that is 2.89. Next is again in root, sigma fdy square is nothing but 79 minus sigma fdy divided by n whole square, that is minus 35 divided by 100 square. Okay, now next step is 35 minus, again in bracket, minus 5.95, that is 17 into minus 35 divided by 100 is minus 5.95. When you add 36.95, root of 85 minus 2.89 is nothing but 9.061. Root of 79 minus 12.25 is nothing but 8.170. When you multiply 9.061 is nothing but into 8.170 is nothing but 74.28. 36.95 divided by 74.08 is nothing but is equal to 0.50. Thank you.